Hi guys and welcome to thrustzone.com. This is Mohit Soni. What is in front of you is the brand new Honda SP160. This is based on the SP name platform, just the SP name platform, not the mechanical platform, because there has always been the SP125, which has been Honda's highest selling premium 125cc motorcycle. So they want to expand the brand. That is why the SP160 has made it, because it makes a lot of sense to make this motorcycle for people who want to upgrade in the SP, SP ladder of motorcycles. So, of course, 100cc now remains only the shine. One SP 125 is premium, SP 160 is also premium. It will exist along with the Unicorn, it will exist along with the Hornet 180, and that is how the positioning is going to be like for the Honda SP 160. And there's a lot of things that Honda has done, and very specifically the design. The design is, a little bit sporty, but mostly conventional. At the same time, this brand new design overall is coming together really well. Look at the tank; it is typical SP125, but these bikini fairings and slightly larger tank than the SP125 makes this bike look really nice. It's a typical old school design where it's a very long, lengthy motorcycle in length. You've got a huge exhaust here, which is a very old school unit. Looks really nice to my eyes because I am that old, so it looks really nice to me. And you've got this very nice matte blue color with the lime green stickers along with silver. You've got a dark gray color here as well in between. This is how Honda does tanks, and this is what you see here as well. And a matte blue mudguard at the front, a nice premium SP badging over here, 3D emblem. Indicators are still clear lens and normal halogen. This is the M shaped LED tail lamp here, which looks really nice. You've got the sari guard, an open chain case on offer, a very large seat for the passenger as well as the rider. We can't test it out because we are not riding it yet. We will do that sometime in the future. And overall, this is what the cockpit looks like. Full digital instrument cluster. You get the buttons here to control everything. You can see actually there are 2 trip meters on offer. It will show you battery voltage, average fuel efficiency, constant fuel efficiency seen right there. So all of the features are on offer. It does feel like a modern motorcycle when it comes to features list. In terms of switch gear, pretty much the same thing. You've got hazard lamp here, engine kill switch is on offer, and a lot of people know what the engine kill switch does. In Hondas, they finally made it after asking them for a very long time. And at the front, you get this LED tail lamp, which is devoid of any DRL. We can't start the motorcycle right now to show you that, but since it doesn't have a DRL, there is nothing really to be seen. We'll only test it and tell you how the lights are in terms of illumination and spread. And yeah, we don't have the pricing yet, but what I can show you are the specs. 796 seat height, 1347 wheelbase, and it's got the same 160cc engine making around 13 PS of power, 14 newton meters of torque, 2 valve engine, BS6 phase 2 OBD2 compliant with E20 compliant engine as well. So the fuel that you get now in fuel pumps is ethanol blended by 20%. It can run on that very easily. And as you can see, the disc brakes are on offer. They are a pedal unit, and at the front and at the back we've got a single channel ABS. As you can see, the sensor is here. It's not present at the back, like as you see. And just hold on to see what all specs you can get here. The double disc variant has a curb weight of 141 kilos, so it is quite light. We don't have the pricing yet, but this will go against the likes of the Bajaj Pulsar 1 P150. It will go against the likes of the Yamaha FZX, which is surprisingly doing well despite it's not a great motorcycle. And this is going to be a motorcycle where people want something slightly more sportier than the Unicorn, but slightly less sporty and less powerful than the Hornet 180, Hornet 2.0 that is on sale as well. You've got MRF rubber along with Seat and TVS Eurogrips also can join in. Depends on what kind of batch that rolls out from the factory. And fit finish quality is good. Could have been better, of course, but Honda is telling me the pricing is going to be spectacular, and that doesn't happen very often. So I think even if it's on the budget side, I think after keeping that in mind, the quality and everything else seems quite acceptable. Really like this color here, blue color is on offer. Just have a look at this matte black color here, which looks really nice with the red pinstripes, red and silver pinstripes on offer. Jumping back to the blue color here. Overall, I really like this motorcycle. Pricing should be out by next week when the video drops. It will be around that time only when I can tell you the price. I will put the price in description whenever I get it, so some people who will watch late can still get the price. And yeah, that is what the motorcycle is all about. Dual disc brakes, single channel ABS, a price tag of let's say around 1,15,000 rupees is expected, and we've gotten the same proven chassis, suspension, engine, an SP branded motorcycle which looks really nice. Sort of reminds me of the Suzuki GS 150R from the past. It looks like that when you consider the tailpiece and the tank also to a certain extent. Of course, that tank was much more reminiscent and very closer to the older Unicorn when it was competing back then. But then again, all of this is coming together really well. The packaging, the branding, the chassis, suspension, the features list that is on offer, the quality and fit finish that you're getting here is coming together really well. It will appeal to a lot of people, and when they buy it and ride it, they'll realize that it's not a bad product. After all, it's a proven chassis. We've not ridden it yet, but we can still tell you that there is hope that it will be a good motorcycle indeed, because the platform is a proven platform. We've ridden many bikes on this platform, so there is a hope that it will ride really well as well. It will be comfortable and sporty enough. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Follow us on our website and social media for everyday updates. Until then, goodbye.